So good morning to everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about Mahindra Logistics share. So in the previous videos we have discussed about Reliance Power as well as Shimaro Entertainment. So I have given the levels and Reliance Power has also we can say retraced from the 20 EMA which I discussed yesterday morning. So in this video we'll discuss the complete picture of Mahindra Logistics, and 1 month back also I have made a video on best logistics share that you need to have in your portfolio, and that was Mahindra Logistics, and I explained all the technicals as well as the levels of the company. So people who want to watch can watch that video also. So okay, so now we'll see the basic overview and then we'll conclude with the technicals of this company. So when we see the basic overview of the company, so you can see that market cap is around 2200 crores, and you can see dividend yield is around 0.47, and when you see the industry PE is 23.21 and current PE is around 41.81. So it is slightly overvalued right now. We know that when I made a video 1 month back, that time its P was around I can say 30s or 28, I guess. So later, okay, we know that heavy buying has also been done and it has remained in a consolidation phase, and accumulation was happening in this particular stock. So I told we need to be very patient when you're invested in this stock, because the movement which it gives is very less, but suddenly when accumulation gets over, it gives a huge movement. But because we know that quality of this share, so we know that logistics and transportation, which is the future of the country, because without that we cannot have anything can happen in this particular country, you know that. So this segment is very important. So that's why the PE is also is very high and people are willing to buy it at a very high price also. So we'll see the possible levels where we can focus in this particular share. Now we'll see the basic business of this company. So before that, when we see the shareholding of the company, you can see that promoters are having a good amount of 58.45. Later the pledging is zero, which is a very good sign for the company, and FIS and FPIs are having around 17%, and it has increased, and you can see total DIs are having 14.35, mutual funds are having around 8.67. So we can say that a very good holdings by all of them. Okay, nothing negative because no pledging is also not there. So now let's see the business of this company. So we know that Mahindra Logistics is all into transportation as well as we can say that logistics. It is completely diversified segment. In this COVID also they're taking the measures that they given the statement that we are completely following all the guidelines and we are continuing our operations. So that's why we know that the stock, when it was in accumulation stage from past 2 days, it was in a huge movement, almost 8 to 10% it has given in just 2 days only. Okay, next when we see their businesses, we can see that they are into auto and engineering, consumer pharma, and we can see e-commerce, commodities, telecom, enterprise mobility services. So these are the businesses into which it completely does its job. So we can see that it has very huge diversification. So that's why I told the best logistics share that you need to have is a Mahindra Logistics. Okay, you can see the business. And next, if we see the solutions we provide, it's saying that we provide warehousing, transportation, in-factory logistics, enterprise mobility services, and freight forwarding. Okay, so these are also very good things that it is providing. So we know that transportation is also very crucial in coming days. Okay, if you want to transport anything related to pharma, related to telecom, so these type of companies will come out and do such sort of things in different parts of the country. Okay, now let's see the technicals and we'll try to focus where we can add this share. So before that, when we see the returns of this company, so it has given almost in 1 week 14.23, 1 month 3.91, 3 months 26.33, and in 1 year it is almost given 30 minus 30.27 returns. Okay, even this COVID time also it has given that amount of returns. Okay, now let's see the technicals. So from the 1 week chart, you can understand that so currently the market price is 318 rupees, and we can see a support at this particular point 248. We can see a support, and it has been in that support for very long period of time. It was consolidating, and next in the this past week when it has broke that this is 20 EMA, so when it has given movement above it, so now it started accelerating. So whenever you get a chance to invest at 296, okay, if you get a chance to invest at 296, so you can invest at small quantities. Okay, what is money flow index telling? So it's not gone to overbought region, so still momentum is possible. So once you buy this share, don't sell these type of shares. You need to have in your portfolio. Okay, this has very good future, so don't do any selling. Only you need to do buy on dips. So that will be our main strategy. So what we can see in 1 day chart, so in 1 day chart also the same levels. Here you can see 286 was the level, and where it was taking support near the 20 EMA, and it was remaining continuously in a accumulation phase. So this is the accumulation phase, and once it has taken support, it started moving upwards. So immediate target now for this will be, if it, okay, if it obeys, if it definitely go to 350 also, but you need to buy it on dips. We can see the supports. If it corrects, then you can buy it at 286, and if you want, you can try at 300 rupees also, and put in small quantities only. So because still it need to go to overbought region. Okay, so invest in small quantities, don't have excess greed. Okay, so these are the best levels where you can enter. Okay, 300 as well as 296. Okay, if you get a chance, then invest at current market price also you can invest, but it will be a little risky. Investors can start investing in small quantities only for long term point of view. If you're getting in loss, don't do any square off like that. Hold it. Okay, hold it for long term point of view only. Okay, in the next video we'll discuss about another share. So until then, take care. Bye bye.